You almost ready, Ralph?
Born ready, Trev.
Going fishing?
Going fishing.
Water's looking good. Jose's over there not catching any fish.
As usual.
As usual. Ralph's getting all geared up.
Been geared up.
Beautiful day.
You gotta get the molar power out.
Saturday morning. New glasses.
New glasses.
Set of bait.
Can't complain.
Can't complain. Little baby seal right there. Nature's greeting us with wildlife. Love Mother Nature. Look at him just dogging us. You guys ain't catching shit. I'm already under here.
Nice little white grub. Start the day. Jose has some shrimp flies. Yeah, what T's dog set up?
T-Dog? Okay, so I got an ugly stick tiger in a Daiwa reel. Oh fuck. Check that out.
With the Daiwa reel?
Yeah, Daiwa reel. Ugly stick tiger. You ever have one of these?
I thought you were serious for a second.
Yeah, isn't that the same setup you lost? Yeah.
Fuck you guys. Oh man.
You saw that though?
I did see that.
I think I said it good enough.
It looked really good.
That was a heavy fucker, whatever was on there. Fuck me. Yeah, I always have luck right here. I never had luck on any other side except for here. This is a stand-up activity now. This one.
I'm over here at this rock.
I'll rent this spot to you for $100 an hour.
Oh damn.
Yeah,
She pregnant.
Pregnant motherfucker right there.
Is she? Yeah. How'd you even get it all the way down there?
Don't even try. Who's mine? My skills. That's why Jose.
Actually, I don't even think you got it. I think you foul hooked it. Look where the hook's at.
Yeah, because she went for it.
Went right in the lip.
Yeah. I'll catch another one so you can tell me that I foul hooked it.
I'll tell you that all day.
That's a good fucking link cut bait right there.
I don't know what Jose pulled up, but he pulled up like this kelp or something that attracted all these blacks and blues. So they're all just like right here. See if I can catch one. It's your bobber idea.
Yeah.
Bobber with like 10 feet of line. We can kind of see the fish from here.
No, leader, like a fucking 3 or 4 leader. 3 to 4 feet leader. I'm gonna call that thing a topper plopper. Yeah.
Topper plopper.
Got a name for it and everything.
Blues are coming out though.
Fish on it.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, it's going. Topper plopper.
Taking a trick from Jose's book, using this little lure, straight braid, ow, 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 things I'm hooked, and just kind of gonna let it float down and see what happens. There's like schools and schools of these blues, and some of them are pretty good size too. They just don't want any of my like 10 little white grubs.
This is a big one, right? There.
One's on my. Oh, had it. Oh, damn.
What are these fish, piranhas?
Did you see that shit?
What the hell?
Fuck. At least I got my stuff. Huh?
They're baby marks.
It's on. Oh yeah. I fucks.
Ralph,
I fuck.
Ralph, put her here. Yeah, dog.
Here, let me put this on your hook.
Yeah.
Woo! First one. It wasn't foul hooked either, so technically I'm on the board.
Not a boy, Ralph.
It's a little small though, so let's go.
See you later, little buddy. Tell your friends.
No, don't tell your friends.
Tell your friends.
Because then if you tell his friends, then his friends aren't gonna bite.
You don't want to go to Ralph. You want to go to Trevor's ride.
For the fishing man, just a hook and a weight, we get this big chunky blue. I'm keeping that one. Did it like fucking, did the rod move down? So you give it a little bit of slack, and when the rod tip goes down or something, yeah, then get him out.